Hey everyone. So I've had this suitcase for about 15 years now, and it's still in really good condition, except for one of the wheels is really worn out. Just over time, that's what happened to this one. It doesn't roll very well anymore, and it's kind of a hassle. But I don't want to throw this away and get a new set just because of one little wheel being broken. And I looked into getting it repaired, but that's going to cost a lot of money. So for a little DIY time and about $15, I'm just going to fix it myself. I was able to find these online. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to saw off with this hacksaw, saw the old wheels off and put in the new ones. And I set up a time lapse so you can watch and see how I did it. Well, I ended up making a little bit of a mess with all of the sawing, but the suitcase is as good as new. Swivels like normal all over again. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.